Hi everybody, today I will show you how to delete Instagram search history. So let's begin. So as you can see here that we are already seeing our recent search. So to delete the Instagram search, we can simply click on this cross icon that is along with the username. So we can simply delete it like this as well. But what if you want to delete all of your Instagram search history altogether? So for that, what you can do, you can simply tap on your profile, and in here you can simply tap on these three lines that we have on the top right side, and from here you can see the option of the activity, so we have to tap on that. And if I scroll down, you'll be able to see the option of recent search, so I have to tap on that. And in here you can see option of clear all, so when you tap on that, it will actually delete your complete Instagram search history. Okay, so I'm going to simply tap on this and tap on clear all, and you won't be able to see your Instagram search history. So this is how you can delete Instagram search history. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.